Okay guys, so we're putting it on. There's a little line right here. You guys definitely can't see it, but it's there. I promise you guys. So gonna go there, that in. I'll do it. Put it in. Okay, so then you gotta put it right in here. And what's supposed to be like this? Just gonna keep screwing. I think my hands are in the way. Yep. Screw that. You guys, let me turn the bow around so you can see it. Okay, and 3, 2, 1. It's going in, guys. Okay. Experiment 1 failed. Experiment 2's gonna pass. Leave this. Put the thingy, not jiggy. Uh-oh. The wind. Getting gone. Okay, guys. We're gonna circle pressure. Teamwork. Everyone. Perfect. Now tighten that one. Let me.
¿Cómo?
That's alright. Good guys. If that machete wasn't there, we probably would have lost it. Just saying. Now, so this doesn't control the other one, but we're gonna do something here that will. But for now, let's see if this actually works.
La idea es sostenerlo ahí.
I can't because I have to hold one only, but we're gonna fix that and gonna be able to just be holding one.
Ya,
So what do we need? Okay guys, so we got this arrow and my dad's gonna cut this. We just tied this together so when you hold one, it holds the other one. And look, right here, we got this part and we're gonna cut it off. So then it's nice. Oh yeah, and this part we still have to put there. So after that, we still got a bit more to do. So yeah. And then you know what comes next. Guys, I can't believe we actually made a crossbow. And I'm not kidding. We made this all by myself. Well, not all by myself. My dad pretty much did all the work. But you know what I mean. Can't believe we did this. And just got this. Then we gotta put this so the arrow, wait, let me get close. So look, we got this and it'll hold the arrow when we fire and it, yeah, you get it, right? And yeah, so this is gonna go over here and then we're gonna have it in there. It'll be nice. When we fire, it'll be nice. So,
Aquí está.
okay, guys. Now we're just gonna drill this thing in and
Okay. Esta va a ir aquí, ¿sí?
yep. We're gonna stop and drill it and we're gonna show the final touches.